YouTube. Still, man, we got problems. First of all, I'm looking crazy. I feel crazy because it's early in the morning, but I gotta go to work and I gotta get a video out for y'all. But in other news, the Camaro is broke. So when we went to the picnic the other day, I noticed that it was leaking from the rear main seal. And it left a big ass puddle right here. Should leak the oil like a motherfucker. Yeah. So I put some of that sealant in it to fix the rear main seal, but that's only a band-aid. So when I first bought the car, I also bought a motor. Never showed y'all though. So I finally got it to the house, and it's ugly. It's ugly, but we're gonna make it something. Let me show y'all. It's a 6.0 with the 4L80 trans. Yeah, I noticed that it was leaking the other day. It left a huge ass stain in my driveway. So I'm kind of tired of band-aiding the 5.7 together. I just need to put together a combo that'll be solid. I wanted to save this motor for this car and like save the 5.7 for this, but it ain't working out like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my cam in here and do a whole valve train upgrade and change the oil pump and all the necessary stuff to get it going. But right now I'm gonna try to get some of this extra stuff off of the motor before I go to work. I work in about an hour and a half, so I get something done. I'll tap in with y'all. Look at this shit. Hella stuck. Alright, so it's the next day. Got a lot done, but I thrashed my driveway, I'll tell you that. Honestly, right now I'm kind of stuck because I don't have a 15 wrench to get on that. I'm not used to like working with so much metric stuff. It's crazy. I don't even have metric tools for this. So I did what I could. The transmission is loose, so I'll get it off of there and leave it on that pallet. Get the motor on the stand, and that's when we can get the upgrading. I'm just taking a little bit of time every day to get something done. Hopefully the motor will be in this car by New Year's. But I'm done for today. I'm about to go to work. I'll catch y'all in the next video.